and fellow Kenyans, I want to inform you that the Ministry of Health has confirmed the first coronavirus case in Kenya.
Ndumiriri ino irerekereirio ni minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi ni etumurite kiagago kia murimu wa homa ya corona kuona murimu uyu ni uburite hodi guku bururi-ini thutha wa gutamba mabururi-ini mangi matanyibeire igana rimwe thi yothe.
The case is a Kenya citizen who traveled back to Nairobi returning from the United States of America via London, United Kingdom, on the 5th of March 2020. She was confirmed positive by the National Influenza Center Laboratory at the National Public Health Laboratories of the Ministry of Health. I would like to add here, however, the patient is stable. Her temperature has gone down to normal. She is behaving normally. She is eating, but she cannot be released until the tests continue, until she gets negative.
Thirikari ikiuga ni marumaniriire na aria mothe mabutanitie na muiritu uyu iri ta njira ya kurigiriria kutherema kwa homa ino. Ningi ni mugite batire bata wa kugia na kiagago kuona thirikari ni ibariirie kugiririria kutherema kwa homa ino ya corona.
What we have is a coronavirus positive test, no more than that. Therefore, Kenyans will live normally. Wherever you are going, go normally. Do carry out your business normally, go to the shopping center normally, and there is no cause for alarm.
Kuona ukui wa mwingi ukoragwo woete gicunji kia 90% Ministry ya ukui yuritie matereba na makanga kuiga njira cia theru kuria ministry ino ikwambiriria kumabe mathomo icukiro-ini cia ngari.
We are giving public transport a special focus in terms of these interventions. The teams from the health ministry will start conducting training at various bus stops, starting from 10 a.m. in the morning to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. All the bus drivers, matatu drivers, the conductors, and so forth.
Kuma riria homa ya corona yatuthukire bururi-ini wa China, namba ya agendi aria mokaga guku bururi-ini ni thiete thi maya makiringithanio no nyibu wa ndege iria iraingira guku bururi-ini.
And if you've seen the number of people who are arriving already in Kenyatta airport, the numbers are very low. So already we are feeling the effect of it. It's going to affect us. Luckily, we are entering into a low season, so we can appreciate we are going to a low season.
Undu uyu ukite thiku nini thutha wa rubonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thi yothe WHO kwanirira homa ya COVID-19 ta king'uki. Na riu gutire nganja homa ya corona ni irikitie kuingira guku bururi-ini, muingi ukiurio weige gikiro kia iguru kia utheru na kwimenyerera gukorwo makiingira thiini wa kundu kwina andu aingi. Ngeribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Masi wa Dia wa Muriithi.